Hey there! Welcome to Dividend Investing course, brought to you by Wealthy Education. In this course, I'll teach you how to profit from the stock market by investing in dividend stocks. I'll show you exactly how I can create an amazing, stable, and growing stream of passive income by just using a simple strategy. If you're looking for a real, low-risk, and working method for making money online, this course is for you. Let's take a quick look at what you're going to learn from this course. In this powerful training, I'll teach you how to build a passive income making machine, which will consistently put money into your pocket. This is a proven copy and paste investment strategy. All you need to do is apply the strategy to build your wealth by investing in the stock market. I'll provide you a collection of profitable stock picking criteria that you can follow to pick high earnings potential stocks by yourself. I'll teach you the best way to protect and grow your money, and you'll also learn how to build a low-risk wealth-building investment portfolio so you can stick with it to generate consistent profits from the stock market. There are a lot of things that you'll learn in this course, and I strongly believe that it will be worth your time, money, and effort. Take this powerful training today, and you'll learn everything that can help you grow your money effectively. Just click the Take This Course button, and I'll see you there.